What's up guys, it's Eddie with the Group B doing a walk around video here on our 95 Mitsubishi Cyborg. Showing the condition of the paint. The paint is super nice. All things considering, it is a 1995 Mitsubishi. But as you can see, super straight. Wheels have almost new R888s on them. Interior with the Recaro RSGs, foldable back seat. Got the Nardi steering wheel, flawless dashboard. You got the manual windows, crank windows, Mitsubishi original guards. Car's super cool. Paint is phenomenal. It's mostly original. It does have some paint work here on the door, but car is phenomenal, really. Go ahead and do a driving video now, and full website listing will be live soon. www.thegroupb.com. Let's do some driving. What's going on, guys? We're doing the driving video now of the 1995 Mitsubishi Cyborg. We're gonna do some our regular route, which is a little bit of city driving, and then we'll go ahead and get on the highway and do a wide open throttle pull. Car's got 128,560 kilometers. Timing belt was done, I believe, 3,800 kilometers ago. Engine's bone stock. Runs and drives phenomenally. Ice cold air conditioning. No warning lights. Runs dead center as far as water temp. It's a 4G92 motor, NA 172 horsepower. Car's got Advan wheels, coilovers, Recaro RSGs, some front and rear strut bar, and that's about it. It's got ice cold air. We'll turn the air on. Looks nice. It's got this Nardi steering wheel. We're gonna get to the highway part and do a wide open throttle pull. So you can hear the MIVEC motor, and obviously when you get up to the RPMs, you feel it kind of kick in just like a VTEC car would, like a Honda. 5-speed shift smooth. We do have the factory shift knob. This is a wise shift knob. Track super straight. R888 tires, 2021 on the day codes. We're heading out to the highway. We'll do a wide open throttle. Alright, we're in second gear. absolutely daily drive the car the way it is, no problem.